Hello friends, we are on part 2 of our springtime decluttering. When we last left our heroes, we did these sweaters. Now we are doing these skirts. So if you are ready for some spring cleaning action, let's get to it. And just for some context, we have sheep on the bed. We referred to them as the keep sheep for the keep pile. So they're the keep sheep, and I will be saying keep sheep a lot in this video. I have hauled all of these sweaters out of the room. This I'm not even gonna try on. I wore this literally yesterday. I wear this all the time. This is a cheap, not swing, I think a little bit more than A-line black skirt. I'm surprised that it's held up this long. I wear it all the time. She's staying. Keep sheep. As we all know, I love me a good Christmas print. I think this is a Hell Bunny skirt, and it is 100% cotton. Very, very comfortable. Keep sheep. When I bought this, I thought that I would get so much wear out of it because I absolutely love the cherry blossoms, but I just don't think that this is a very comfortable material. It is polyester. It's just pictures of flowers that were terribly photoshopped onto a black background. I don't get enough use out of it to justify keeping it. I absolutely love this. I think this is 80s. I don't know what the material is, but it's very thick, very warm. I am gonna have to put you in the try on pile because she has been a little bit snug on me in the past. Hey, can you guess one of my favorite colors to wear? It's green, specifically like foresty green. This is like a suspender skirt. I don't wear it that much, but I really do enjoy wearing it, so she's going in the keep pile. I believe this was a 100% cotton dirndl skirt. She's very cute, very fun to wear. She's in the keep pile. Keep sheep. Well, I haven't worn this one since I got it back from the dry cleaner, but it is a 100% silk, I believe from the 80s. Like, the tag looks very 80s or 90s. She is in the keepy pile. This is something that I thought I would love, but I don't really see myself gravitating towards very often. It is the shape that I usually wear, definitely, but the triangle is a little bit 80s. I think that I'm gonna put it in the try on pile. I think that I'm still gonna keep it and just kind of play around with how I want to pair things with it, because I definitely like wearing pinks with it because of the pinky purpley flowers. I might want to try on just like some other colors with it just to see how I can actually utilize it in my wardrobe. I want to keep you. I'm just gonna have to try you on first, that's all. I think that I'm gonna have to put this in the try on pile just to make sure. This is a tartan. I don't even know, I don't know what tartan this is. I got it secondhand. It looks like the belty things have been cut off. The button was moved from here to here to make it bigger. It's been kind of made into a wrap skirt instead of the tartan. We'll try. We'll just put it in the try on pile for now. I believe this is Pinup Girl or... Okay, so I don't immediately see the tag in this one, but it is a very, very big circle-y circle skirt, like pleated-y circle skirt. Oh, I know what happened. This isn't Pinup Girl. This is something that was made for me by a friend who I don't really talk to anymore. I know that it was made by that former friend. That definitely explains why it is a black skirt with navy blue serging. I feel like we also have some bias hang stretching that I just need to make sure she still fits. Okay, so this is another suspender skirt. I'm not sure what brand you are. What brand are you? This is Tatiana. I don't think Tatiana is a problematic brand, but this is a navy blue like suspender skirt situation. I usually wear it with like creams and stuff. Like, it's fun wearing suspender skirts, guys. So she's going in the keep pile. This one is Hell Bunny. She has pockets, lemons, and a lightweight cotton. In the summer, this is a good summer skirt. She's definitely gonna get a lot of use in the summer. She's cute. She's in the keep pile. What is going on? Kind of an A-line or pencil skirt situation. I'm not entirely sure what I was thinking when I bought this. I want to be a pencil skirt person. I think pencil skirts look really cute, but I am not a pencil skirt person, so I'm gonna have to try you on. I don't think the results are gonna be amazing. This is a 70s situation that I actually really like. It's got these cool like little cross belt loop details in it. It does feel very 70s, but you know, the 70s does 40s was a thing, so yeah, I'd say she stays in the keep sheep. I don't think that I've worn this out. She's going straight into the keep sheep though. This is a giant, lovely black velvet circle skirt. I want an occasion to wear her and for people to appreciate how beautiful and nice and soft and luxurious the black velvet is. It pains me to say that I'm probably gonna have to put you in the try-on pile because I was given this by a friend because it didn't fit them anymore. It just has so much sentimental value to me because of that. So if anything, I'm probably gonna keep it for sentimental reasons. I don't really feel myself gravitating towards it though. I think that this is Pinup Girl, right? Mary Blair by Pinup Couture. I think Mary Blair is the fabric designer. There's a lot of colors going on. Maybe that's another thing that I will challenge myself to find different things to pair with it. Well, we'll have to figure it out. Here we have another tartan, but this one actually has its little belty guys intact, so it's not as much of a simple wrap skirt, but it's definitely one that you risk showing your underwear significantly less in. I think that the colors are just a little vibrant for me. I'm not a vibrant person. The colors are too colorful for me. So I think that you're actually gonna have to go in the go away. I'm sorry. I like it. My pleated A-liney situation, pumpkin orange skirt. One of the things that I feel like I probably look ridiculous in, but I like it, so I'm keeping it. And another thing that I feel like I look absolutely ridiculous in, but I'm keeping. This is like on the barely, does this, it looks like the outer material is like shrinking or the lining is stretching. I'm not entirely sure which situation we got going on there. It's a cheapy McCheap face though, so I'm not surprised that it's having some issues. This is showing the max amount of knee as it stands. So if the fabric is shrinking though, we might be very close to coming out of the rotation. This is a little bit more bricky than pumpkiny orange. Also, this has gingham, so it's completely different and still going in the keep sheep. This is a lovely wool, like A-line maroonish, wineish color with pockets. I think that it's actually going to go on the try-on pile just to make sure that she's staying because I just want to feel how I feel in this skirt again. Just kind of feel that out. This is my favorite brown skirt, maybe one of my favorite skirts to wear in general. I'm pretty sure she is from the 50s. I feel like she's a little delicate as a result. She's not even a circle skirt. She's like a double circle skirt. She's a circle skirt after being gathered up. So there is so much volume in here. I'll wear this with like a little corset and like a peasant top under it. I am instantly Princess Aurora. She's got the swing. She's got the princess. She's doing all sorts of things. She's going atop the keep sheep. So this is the Pinup Girl skirt that I got to replace the cheap black skirt. Once again, I am shocked that it has lasted this long, hence the replacement. When the cheap sucker runs out, she is going to be the staple. She knows it. I'm not sure if I did a thrift haul video over this. I got her either in Goodwill or Poshmark recently. She's got like these orange pansies and like, this is, it's very 80s, but like it's floral. It's tiny flowers. I gotta wear the tiny flowers. Flowers are hermaphroditic. Okay, definitely digging the color. Not with this top though. I feel like if I wanted to make it a little bit more 40s than 70s, I would just raise the hemline a couple inches, but don't feel like doing that right now. Yeah, she's a keeper. Okay, that sounded dangerous. It was not actually dangerous. I feel like she definitely needs a floof when I wear her. She's pretty vibrant, so I'm not like a bubblegum pink person. I'm kind of like a muted, angry millennial pink kind of person. I do like the foresty greens and the maroon lip colors. There's no way that I could make this print any dark and stormy. I want to see if I could wear her more often just for the sentimental value. So, okay, I feel like this is a little bit big on me. I have no idea what's going on with this skirt. I think that I got it because I wanted a simple black A-line to go into my rotation. I'm not entirely sure if this has ever made it into my rotation because I do not know what's going on with this skirt. She's gone. Okay, so this is the one that the former friend gave to me. We've got a weird situation with the bias, but it's not bad. It's entirely fixable. We got a weird situation with the pleats too. I'm keeping this because I like having black skirts in my arsenal. There's just so many things off, like odd off about this skirt. Okay, so this is about how I expected this to look. I probably am going to want to take this button and move it over like an inch or so, just so it fits a little bit better on me. And I think that it's a little bit longer than I typically want. It's a little 70s, 80s length instead of the 40s length that I would want. I feel less bad about altering a culturally important garment when it has been altered by somebody else first. The other person took it from a tartan and turned it into a wrap skirt. So instead of altering a culturally important garment, I am instead altering a wrap skirt. I know it started as a tartan, but I feel like the line has already been crossed, so I'm not crossing a line. Oh, she's light, she's comfy. I like how she feels. I'm kind of sad that I don't really reach for this very often. Like the big pink one, I might make it a personal challenge to try to find different things to use in my wardrobe to incorporate this a little bit more. She's going into the keep pile. So 80s, but like so cute though, right? It's like a comfortable carpet wrapped around your legs that you just gotta drink a nice piping hot apple cider in. I got a hat pretty recently that I think that I could make a very cute outfit with this with. So if you want something to look instantly vintage, wear a hat. So that is it for part 2 of the closet declutter, Revenge of the Skirts. Did I keep anything that you would have tossed anything you would have kept? Feel free to list that with any questions, comments, or concerns down below. I would like to get started back up with doing new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, sometimes one though. You know the drill. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I actually do post. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you feel like sticking around, please do. We'll see you next time. Bye. Where's your tag? Where is your tag? What the fuck am I talking about? What the fuck am I talking about? I don't know. Girl, I don't know what I'm talking about. The hook is attached to my sweater. Lol. Yeah. Just lol.